How to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can buy Spotify Premium on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to buy Spotify Premium on your iPhone, you will not be able to buy it using the Spotify app. So if you have been trying from the app, it's totally futile because you will not be able to do so. So if you're using iPhone, open your Safari browser or any other browser and go to spotify.com and log into the account on which you want to get the premium. And once you do that, tap the gear account from the top right hand side and go to this option here known as Premium. And from here what you need to do is just go ahead and select a plan that you like, which could be individual plan or view all premium plans. You can see affordable plans, premium, individual plan, and so on. All you have to do is just tap on the get premium option and you should be able to fill in the payment details and successfully go ahead and then basically buy the Spotify Premium. This way you can buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.